Remove tar from fabric. Tar is a substance that can be hard to remove on surfaces, especially on fabric. This can ruin your clothes. The good news is that you can remove tar from fabric using some household ingredients. You must not wash the tar regularly since it can transfer to the other areas of your fabric. Find out how to remove tar from your clothes and other fabric by following these easy step-by-step instructions. Remove as much tar as you can. If the tar is freshly stained on the fabric, you must wait for it to harden first so that you can remove it easily. This is helpful if there is thick blob of tar on the fabric. To speed up the process, place a few ice cubes inside a ziplock plastic bag. Place the plastic bag over the tar and wait for the tar to harden. When it is hard enough, peel off an edge of the tar and slowly remove the tar blob. You have now removed the hard tar. There will be stains left on the fabric. Use butter. Butter is something that you can use to remove the tar from fabric. Get a small amount of butter and spread it over the tar. Rub the butter using a circular motion. Be careful when doing this. You do not want the butter to grease the clean areas of the fabric. After a while, it will be easier for you to remove the remaining tar on the fabric. When the tar is completely gone, rinse off the area with warm water to remove some of the grease. Use WD-40. The grease of WD-40 will help remove the tar stains from the fabric. Do not spray the WD-40 directly on the fabric. Get a clean cloth and spray some WD-40 on it. Use the cloth to try and remove the tar stains from the fabric. Use a circular motion when rubbing the fabric. After a while, you will notice the tar slowly decrease. Wash the fabric. When the tar has been removed, you can clean the fabric like you normally would. It is better to use fabric detergent that works well with grease. Do not wash the fabric as a whole. You have to remove the grease from the stained area first. Get a basin of water and wash the stained area until you eliminate all the grease from the materials that you used. Afterwards, place the fabric in the washer and wash as usual. These are the options that you have when you want to remove tar stains from fabric. Make sure that the fabric that you are working on is washable. If the fabric needs to be dry cleaned, take it to the cleaners to have it professionally removed. You may also want to bring expensive fabrics and light fabrics to the cleaners instead so that you will not damage them. Remove the tar as soon as possible so that it won't settle on the fabric.